go well for you, mate.
It'll be all right. It's going to go swimmingly.
Swimmingly. All right. Well, let's see. The Casabel chili.
Scoville level about 1,500.
Ah, nothing. Nothing.
I'd like to point out though that the person, Gerbs, we've got here pouring out the chilies is using a plastic bag to touch them. They're quite big, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, I picked the biggest ones.
Ready?
Yeah.
Nice, go. Quite dry, aren't they? Cheers.
Cheers.
I can dip them in the water. All right.
What's that going to do?
I don't know. It's like maracas.
I know.
It's so dry.
Like eating liver.
It's quite spicy. It's like getting extra hot at Nando's. I'm not okay.
You got to see them.
I'm leaving it there for later.
Saving a little memento for later.
Do you not find that really hot?
No.
Oh, fuck.
Scoville level is 30 times the Scoville level of the pepper you just tried. 30,000.
Is there any... Can I leave? Is there any chance of me going? Or?
I have no idea what Scoville level means.
No one looked at that and went, that'll go really nice on a Caesar salad.
That
Go on then.
is, level 8
Right.
out of 10.
Chin chin. You ready?
No. This is going to be awful. Go on, go on.
Can't go home now, can we?
Come on, go.
Oh.
No, that is cheeky.
Can we swear in this video?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. You know, every time I wake up and I feel a little bit bad in the morning, I'm just going to remember this feeling and I'll be all right.
Exactly. Jesus Christ. That's got an after kick. That's good. Not in a good way though.
Slightly concerned about you. How you feeling?
No.
You
Not
look like
great.
you look like you're struggling now.
Yeah, no, I am a bit. Ooh.
Oh, you're about to cry. You got little tears.
Yeah, I want my mother. She could just hold me, it'd be really nice right now.
It's a weird thing to say, mate.
Right.
Right.
Makes it worse.
Do you know what? That was rubbish. Bring on the hottest chili in the world. Right. Okay. Oh, I thought you were joking. We actually have to sign a waiver. I saw the package earlier, it said 11 out of 10.
Right, that's silence, everyone. On this side.
Right.
Cheers. See you on the other side, mate.
Yeah. This one isn't ever as spicy to start with. Oh,
It was not okay.
fuck.
It was not okay. Why did we agree to this? It's not getting any better.
No.
It's getting worse.
It was bad when it went in, and then it's just getting worse.
I'm not going for the milk first. You're losing this. Oh,
Oh, I'm not going for milk, full stop. It's made my face go numb.
I can't. I'm not happy about this. I'm not trying to be funny.
My tears are spicy.
All right, you win. No, I can't even drink. Oh, mate.
I told you it wouldn't be bad.
Fuck you.
Do you reckon childbirth is bad, Neil? It's a new experience for me, but I'm alright.
Neil, we need you to put your thumbs up, otherwise we can't complete the video.
No.